I got bored, so I'm going to switch out my keyboard that was right here, keep my mouse, switch out the keyboard with the Steelseries Dota 2 keyboard that I own. Open. How do you open? Oh. You see, listen to this key. Okay, good. Look how trash these are. It still works. It's got more colors. Let's unbox it. Gold. Don't mind my perfectly fine cable management. Let me just plug this in, and it should be purple because I had the Steelseries thing that made it purple. Damn. Ooh. Yes, I like that. Okay, let me plug my mouse in. So it's like here, like. Oh wait, wrong way. Get into the hole. There we go. Okay, let me just put. Yep, looks good. Don't mind that. Razer Naga on headphones. Hold up. Okay, headphones are on. This is what it looks like. I made it so it turned blue whenever I press a key. And I use ESDF for Minecraft, so it should look like that. Spacebar. Mouse with flashing Razer Naga. It's so cool. So after I left it for a little while, it changed its color like this. Because it's cool and I programmed it to do that. It's a Dota 2 and it's very pink. Alright, let's play Minecraft. I just clicked it. Oh, it's loaded. Okay, Minecraft is loaded. So this is keyboard. It's mildly broken. Only this key is. These three keys, A, S, and T, are broken, but you don't need it if you're gaming because it's only muscle memory. Okay, let's start it. Multiplayer. Okay, wait until Munchie MC is good. Click in. Joining with my doo-doo Wi-Fi. And oh look, it's me. Hello. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh wait. Damn, I'm in Minecraft and damn is it laggy. Damn, son. That's laggier than a laggy lagger. Okay, so my internet is sorted and I can actually move. And boy, is this thing responsive. Also, this sucks. It doesn't suck, but it sounds mildly trash. But at least I couldn't E-tap, which is supposed to be W-tap, but like W, it's like different keybind. But at least I can E-tap so I can PvP. Epic Gamer Cam? Yes. Alright, let's play. Let's do a kit. Let's see what kit. Let's do Jester. Let me do some butterfly clicking. There we go. First kill. Sheesh. Okay, someone's trying to kill me. It's fine. I am a PvP god. Jesus Christ. Just a comparison, this is what my keyboard that I use regularly look like. It's supposed to be green. And it sounds good. And it works. It works so good, man. Literally, like you can back trick, front trick, fronts. You don't even have to double tap. You can literally front sprint trick. That's my sprint. You can front sprint. You can switch items. You can throw items easily. Switch. 6. Switch up. Switch to side. Very good. Okay, I'm going to play on this keyboard and let's see how many kills I get and how much deaths I get. I'm gonna get more deaths than kills.